Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And once again, I want to share with you guys, no, not an Invicta watch or a watch in general, but a great product by a company I've been working with for a couple of years now, and the company's called SANSI. SANSI, and they make kind of smart home tech slash electronic items for anywhere from floodlights. They use a lot of LED technology. They have smart bulbs, a lot of different smart home tech for your home or apartment or wherever you may live. And so they were nice enough to send me, if you haven't checked out that review, a camera that I haven't been able to get mounted yet. I will at a later date. It's a dual floodlight, full LEDs, full LED array, 8 different LEDs, super bright LEDs. And it has a built-in camera. So if you have a situation where you want to add a security camera outside your house, you don't want to run any wires, you have a Wi-Fi network connection, you can get one of these and have the best of both worlds. A control LED light that you can control from the app, to my understanding, and one that will record and monitor your home. And that's one of the hardest things about adding a security system to your home is the whole power issue. So that alleviates that whole problem. So I was checking out some of the other products the other day, and I said, hey, I'd love to, if you want to send me anything else, I'd love to share it on the channel. Let me know. And so this is a really cool device. It's an LED spotlight. And this one here does have IP66 water protection, so it can be mounted outdoors. And what's awesome about it, it comes with an infrared LED remote. And I have to tell you, the remote's pretty substantial. You know, a lot of times with a lot of these different devices, you get the real cheap credit card remote and it just doesn't hold up. This is like a remote you'd get with your TV. So exceptional quality, very impressed right off the bat with that. And the fact that you have a full RGB, super bright, weatherproof spotlight. It draws 30 watts of power, so somewhat compared to the amount of light you get out of this thing. Pretty efficient. Has a 120 degree angle on the spotlights. Well ventilated. It's all made of plastic for the most part. You have your infrared sensor on the front. Nice large power cord for this. That's definitely going to be able to withstand the elements. I'd say probably about 5 feet of length on this. And you do have a little bit of swivel on this, so you can adjust it how you want to adjust it. And that's about it. I want to turn it on to show you guys. Let me plug it in here. And you're not going to get a real indication of how bright this is, but you might get maybe a little bit of an idea. You turn it on or off, so naturally we're going to turn it on here. And you can see I have it set up in the blue right now, and this is really bright. I mean, I don't want to look at it because I'm going to hurt my eyes. You can go into white, which is, this particular color is kind of a warmer white. You can see, hopefully you can see by the video, you have some of the other LEDs actually illuminated as well. You have your red, green, blue. You can do a strobe light function. You can speed that up if you want. You can do a flash function. Fade in and out different colors. A smooth fade. You can actually set different memories on this. You have 4 different ones. I'm just going to go back to blue here. If you want to change the brightness, you can see I dimmed it down to the minimum there. Still really bright. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it on that there because it is really bright. You have orange, coral, gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, cayenne, aqua, and lime. And you know what I'm going to do with this thing is, SANSI was nice enough to send me a while back a 6 LED bright white work light, and I was going to put that outside. Let me turn this off here for a second here so we don't blind anybody anymore. And I was going to put that outside, and I decided, you know, this is a great work light. My garage is all painted black. It's kind of the design I chose in there, very tactical looking, and so it doesn't get very bright in there. So having an extra spotlight definitely helps when I'm going to work on the car or do something in the garage. So I kept it for that purpose. With this, because you have that awesome RGB, it's kind of nice to be able to maybe use this somewhere else. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wire this into, outside I have the outdoor string lights, which you've probably seen in my backyard review, or my backyard tour. I'm going to mount this kind of on the side of the house pointing up. And so what this will do will give it a beautiful glow, whatever color you want, on the side of the house. And just add some ambiance and some more color in the backyard, which I think is awesome. It makes for great for entertaining. It's awesome just to, you know, I'm in the hot tub, I got the LEDs on. Just super comfortable, super, just super relaxing, very tranquil. So definitely an awesome addition to the backyard. I want to go ahead and thank SANSI again for their generosity in sending me this. I love their products. I haven't received anything from SANSI that I was disappointed in or didn't like. This will definitely add some awesome color to my backyard. And being the fact that it's got the IP66 water resistance, I won't have to worry about this thing getting wet. I will probably put this on a smart switch as well. So the thing is, when you turn on the smart switch, you'll have to actually still use the remote to turn this on. But still an awesome device. Just again, amazed at the build quality on stuff like this. I just want to tell you before I close on the video here, I forgot to pull up the and I'm going to put a link to the description in the description for this. This is available through Amazon. They do have a couple variations. This one's only going to run you $39.99. It's got a 5-star review on Amazon, shipped to your door. If you want to go ahead and get the standard white version, if you're not in need of the color, you just want it to be a plug-in spotlight. And you know, some folks will use these in their backyard. I don't have a huge yard, but this would be something cool you can mount in a tree and have it reflect up inside the tree. Again, on the side of the house, you put this down low in you know, maybe if you have a hedge or in your in the dirt down there, or screw it to the side of the fence and have it glowing up. Really cool. Lots of, sky's kind of the limit on what you can do with this kind of stuff. I definitely encourage you to check out some of the pictures they have on their website, giving you guys some examples of how people have used these in their backyards. $39.99 shipped. And if you do want to get this in a larger version, you can get, let me just double check this here, because make sure we click the right link here. I believe this comes in an 8 variation as well. Yeah, so you can get it in an 8 LED variation. It's basically twice the size. That will run you $50. I will put a link to their store in the description. Definitely check it out if you're in the market for an awesome super bright spotlight where you want to add a little color to your backyard, or even use it as a work light if you want. So, all right guys, thanks again for watching the video. If you have any questions about the product, let me know. SANSI, thanks again for your generosity. Look forward to reviewing more of your products. If you like the content, do subscribe, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And you guys have a great weekend. Take care, folks.